Today, we are going to show you how to use swipe typing on your iPhone keyboard. Our step-by-step guide will help you master the QuickPath features and improve your typing speed. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable QuickPath. QuickPath is enabled by default on device running in iOS 13 and later. If you are using an older iOS version, you can update your device to enjoy this feature. To ensure QuickPath is enabled, you can check Go to Setting and then select General, and then you can check on Keyboard and ensure Slide to Type is already toggled on. It means you already enabled QuickPath feature. Step 2. You can start swipe typing. Open any app where you can type, like Message app or Notes. For example, I'm going to use Note app. To begin, you can swipe typing. Place your finger on the first letter of your word you want to type. Without lifting your finger, you can slide it to the next letter in the word, following the sequence of the letter. Once you connect all the letters in the word, lift your finger and the word should appear in the text field. You can also correcting error. If the wrong word appears, you can tap on the word to bring up alternative suggestion. You can select the correct word from the list and it will replace the incorrect word in the text field. And the next step is swipe typing tips. Practice makes perfect. The more you use swipe typing, the better you will become at it. Don't worry about space between words. QuickPath automatically inserts space after each complete word. For words that share similar swipe pattern, type slowly and accurately to increase the likelihood of selecting the correct word. And that's it. You now learn how to use swipe typing on your iPhone keyboard. With the QuickPath feature, you can improve your typing speed and enjoy a smoother texting experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye!